In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync with a local folder on desktop. By the end, you'll have a folder on your computer that stays perfectly in step with Google Drive, so any change you make locally appears in the cloud and vice versa. First, make sure you have the Google Drive for Desktop app installed and that you're signed in. On Windows, look for the Google Drive icon in the system tray near the clock. On Mac, it's in the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click that icon to open the Drive menu. In the top corner of that menu, click the gear-shaped settings icon. From there, choose Preferences. This opens the main control panel for what your computer syncs with Google Drive. Inside Preferences, go to the My Computer tab. This is where you tell Drive which local folders to keep in sync. Click Add Folder. A file picker will appear. Navigate to the exact local folder you want to sync from your desktop. This could be a project folder, a client folder, or anything you want to keep backed up and mirrored in Drive. Select that folder and confirm. Next, you'll be asked how you want to handle this folder. Choose the option labeled Sync with Google Drive, Upload folder to Drive. This sets up a two-way relationship. Anything you add, change, or delete in that local folder will update in Google Drive, and updates from Drive will flow back to your computer. This is ideal if you work across multiple devices or collaborate with others in the same Drive location. When you're ready, click Done, then click Save. That's the confirmation that locks in your selection. You'll see Drive begin processing the folder right away. The first sync can take a while depending on size and your internet speed, so keep your computer awake and connected. You can check progress by clicking the Google Drive icon again. It will show upload activity and any items still syncing. From this point on, your selected local folder will automatically stay in sync with Google Drive. Rename files, move them around, or create new subfolders. Those changes will mirror in the cloud. Keep an eye on your Drive storage. Very large folders will count against your quota. If you ever need to pause syncing temporarily, you can do that from the Drive icon menu. And if you need to review or adjust which folder is synced, return to Preferences under the My Computer tab. That's it. You've successfully connected a local folder to Google Drive, ensuring your work is safe, accessible, and up to date wherever you need it.